Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some of the decorations for the inside of the outdoor patio. I'm simply just going to use the same concept that I had on the inside of my house. So if you have not watched my summer tablescape, go ahead and watch that one and then come back to this so you can understand how all this is going to flow together. Now this is going to be a two-part series. So next week's video will be the final reveal of everything. So I'm so excited for you guys to see this. So let's get started.
Like boom, boom, boom. Throw it back, then rotation. Cigarettes in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the guarantee. And why? So kind of your neck is started. You been waiting on me to solve it. Solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking. Almost kidding, I let my head up. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Cigarettes in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
What I'm doing here, of course, these plants are fake. You guys, I cannot grow a plant to save my life. So the plants came with black rocks. I simply just went to the Dollar Tree, bought some of those white rocks, and I put them on top. That way, you know, it would just go with the decorations that I have.
That's too slow. thinking I like it. You know I'm down with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a right this. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart, I'm a slave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you've never seen, something that you've never been. But I wake up and act like nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. Just get ready for work, 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 work. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. You have to work, 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 work. Send me if you work, 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 work. See me do me da 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 da.
These are the original rocks that came with the fire pit, and it's just not going to work for what I'm trying to do this summer. They are beautiful. I'm not going to throw them away, but I did have to get on Amazon and order some more because I wanted a clear glass looking rock, and I did find some, and they were actually pretty cheap. So I will link those in the description box if you guys are interested in those.
You need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't give that away to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I've got guys trying to end me, oh. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spent some time away. Now you need a forward and give me all that. Now you need a forward and give me all that.
Work, 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 work.
guys, this is it for the first of 2 videos. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the channel, and just thank you for all the support that you guys are giving me. I'm so glad that you guys are loving these outdoor videos, and stay tuned for next week's video, which will be the final reveal. And you guys, we did something I never thought we would do. I am so grateful that we have this backyard, because I'm telling you, the whole family is just enjoying every bit of this yard. So you guys stay tuned for everything, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close.